Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to send money using TapTap Send. Now the first thing you should do is to simply download TapTap Send on your phone, and once you open it, you'll have to log in if you have an account or sign up. The signing up process is very easy and I don't need to explain so let's get into the sending method. When you first open the application, it will show you here this page. You have to click on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Then it will show you here all the settings. You can pay your bills. When you click on pay bills, you can simply choose what are you paying for and the country that you are going to pay. You can also click on settings in order to add biometrics, or you can simply click on payment and add your payment method. Now here, as you can see, you'll have to navigate to this page. Once you navigate to it, let's say that you want to choose the country, you have to click on the country right here. Then here, as you can see, it will show you all the options that you can send to. Let's say that I want to send in Philippines. I'll have to choose it. Then now you will have to type the amount of money that you will transfer it from euro to the Philippine currency. So type the amount right here. I've typed 50. Then now you'll have to click on add promo code. If you have a promo code, this promo code will save you some money. Just tap on enter once you fill it. Then you'll have to click on next right here. After you click on next here, it will show you the saved recipients, or if you do not have any recipient yet, you can simply click on add new recipient. Then you will have to add all the details of the recipient, but first you will have to choose the payout method that the recipient will get money on. So here in my case, the recipient will get his money on his bank account, so choose bank account. Then you'll have to enter all the details of the recipient, then click on next down below right here. So you'll have to enter the postal code and your debit card or any payment method that you are going to choose, then click on save, and you'll have to provide more extra info like your date of birth. And once you finish, it will show you here the transfer review. So you'll have to review the transfer, and after that, if you are satisfied, you can simply click on pay with card and the money will be sent to him. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.